guys, we're going live. Today is Thursday, June 11, okay, 2026. Where are we? Guess where we are. I want to show you something. The beautiful sunrise. Oh wow, so beautiful. We are aboard on a vessel, the Starlight, from Romblon to Batangas, and the expected time of arrival would be around 9:30 a.m. We are still at the middle of the sea, and the time now is 5:24 in the morning. It's supposed to be the time for me to play tennis, but well, I'm somewhere. I'm on my way bound to Manila, and I just want to show you the beautiful sunrise. I hope you are enjoying it, guys, and the calm weather, the calm sea. Thank you, Lord, for the very beautiful environment, for the very beautiful world, for all of the blessings in life. Thank you for waking up this day. It was a nice sleep. I slept in the tourist accommodation. It's very cold, air conditioned. I've got a very comfortable bed. They provided me a blanket, and we have also our coffee shop over here. I want to show you around here. So this is the vessel. Very nice, very comfortable. You can get in here. Push. Let's go to the other side. So this is the escaping. This is my bed. Okay. We are provided with blankets. We are going to the coffee shop. Over here, guys. We have here the tourist class Starbucks Cafe.